guest of honor and speaker, Police Lieutenant Colonel Alexi A. Besamico Mab. Ladies and gentlemen, with great honor and pride, we would like to present to you the members of the SM Security Force of SM City Bacoor, SM City Molino, SM Center Imus, SM City Rosario, and SM City Tansa.
Hit, kaliwa, cut!
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the center stage, the troop commander for this morning's ceremony. He is no other than S.O. Aris Denver Lens of Combined Blue Dragon Security Agency, assigned at SM City Bacoor.
Ang galing ah. Tangina. Ayaw pa.
Ayos ang perimeter.
Oh, snappy talaga.
Perimeter ah. Ito ang perimeter oh. Sabay-sabay ah. Yung linya dito, tingnan mo.
Talupot! To!
Okay, okay. Dilo.